Yes, in previous class we discussed about the equations of motion derivations. Equations of motion derivations are completed in previous class. Now, in this class we discuss about the suppose the distance will be given. That means after some seconds, so the time is not exactly given, or otherwise after few seconds. If time is given means we can calculate S is equal to T plus half a square application. If time is not there, we can apply one of the important formula that will be said to be the Sn is equal to U plus A into N minus 1 by 2. By that application, we can calculate the at a certain distance or the time will be given, we can calculate the what distance the object or the body will be traveling. So it is also important derivation. Derive the formula. Sn is equal to U plus A into N minus 1 by 2. This is the application. U is initial velocity, A is acceleration, N is given time, minus 1 by 2. How to get this? The equation you can see. So Sn is equal to, remember the formula, if time will be given after few seconds, so whatever the time, so after 10 seconds, after 15 seconds, whatever the time, what the distance traveled by the object, that we can apply by this formula. That is Sn is equal to U, initial velocity is needed, and acceleration is needed. And what is the given time? So in the question only, this time will be given. So minus 1 by 2. By calculating this, we can apply the second equation of motion. What is second equation of motion? We know that S is equal to ut plus half at square. So this application we know. From this equation we can calculate in n second the distance traveled by the body. You can calculate in 1 second the distance traveled by the body. How much distance it can be traveled. And similarly in n minus 1 second, what is the distance traveled by the body to be calculated. 2 times will be taken. By substituting in this equation we can apply. So first we can consider in n second, n to be considered in n seconds, the distance traveled by the body. The distance traveled by the body. The distance traveled by the body is taken as n means instead of the first distance to taken now, S1 to be considered in this, or otherwise n also to be write, Sn to write n second now, ut plus ut means un, instead of t to write as n, plus half a into n square, half a into 1 square. Let it be equation number 1. Similarly, in n minus 1 second, to be considered the distance traveled by the body. The distance traveled by the body. The distance traveled by the body to consider as Sn minus 1 is equal to ut means u into n minus 1 plus a into n minus 1, oh sorry, n minus half at square, no, sorry, plus half into a into n minus 1 whole square, a into n minus 1 whole square. Now, n minus 1 whole square means what? That a minus b whole square application, no? So, this to write as u into n is un minus n, un minus 1 plus half a into, it becomes n a minus b whole square application, a square means n square plus 2ab means 2n minus 1 square means 1. So according to what is this application? A minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus a plus 2ab minus b square. Never to write a square minus b square plus 2ab also to consider. So by that application we can write this equation. Okay. So from there to be calculate. So what do you get? To open the bracket for this, un plus n plus half a into n square plus total, open the bracket, half a into 2n minus half a. So in this case half gets cancelled. Then what do you get? Un plus n plus half an square plus an minus half a will get. Yes, that you have to get in this equation. Let it be equation number 2. So let it be is considered as equation number 2 to be taken. Now to subtract 1 from 2. So subtract 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 means what? Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1. So what is Sn value? Here I will write. Here I will consider this. Sn is equal to what? un plus half an square. Un plus half an square minus half. Write all this. Un plus u plus half an square minus an minus plus an minus half a, all to be kept in bracket and open the bracket. Un plus half an square plus into minus un plus into minus u plus into minus half an square plus into minus an minus into plus half a. In this to see, plus un minus un gets cancelled, plus half an square minus half an square gets cancelled. Then what's the remaining? Here minus. Sorry. My mistake here is the minus. It becomes minus. Now what is the remaining? U minus an plus half an will be remain. Yes, that only remains now. Then you can write that U minus an plus half a only remain. Now in that let's see minus 1 by 2 a square plus b square minus 2ab minus plus. So minus un we get u minus an. So minus into minus, they also consider plus value minus an. So this value means how to get from 2 into. So minus a square, that also to write minus half a only to remains. Minus half a minus an. That to get it. Now what you get here? An to take on. To consider a will be common in this factor. Somewhere mistake will be done of an minus an plus half a. a square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. I wrote formula now, minus plus. So it becomes plus. Minus an plus of a. So here also same mistake I made. Sorry. So here this becomes minus an. This is plus. So here also this is plus. This is minus. So plus minus. Now to take u plus a to take common. So a on both sides will be there. No, a into n minus 1. U plus a into n minus 1. What is this? Sn is equal to. So Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1. This is the n minus 1 by 2. Sorry. A into n minus 1 by 2 will get it. So here some small mistake I made. A minus b whole square, so a square minus 2ab plus b square. I wrote wrong here. Sorry, a square minus 2ab plus b square. According to that, n square minus 2n plus b square. B square means 1. So from there I made simple mistakes. Please excuse. So understand? A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab. Understand? There I made some small mistakes. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. According to that, we get this application. Okay. So by joining these two equations, we get that means what is the use of this equation? At given time, what is the distance traveled by the body to be calculated by this application? That is the simple demonstration of this application. Okay. Now, to be considered, one simple experiment will be there. In this experiment, we have to consider prove that one of the simple lab activity will be given. So here 2s by t square is constant, that we have to prove in this experiment. So otherwise to be experimental one lab activity will be given. So in this lab activity we have to consider s by t square, 2s by t square must be constant. 2s by t square is equal to constant, that we have to prove. For verifying this experiment, we can consider one of the lab activity. We consider lab activity. So in this lab activity, we prove that aim of this experiment to prove that 2s by t square is equal to constant. So s by t square is equal to constant. For verifying this, required operators to be taken as one plastic tube, one narrow plastic tube to be taken. So hollow tube to take first, and it will be cut into vertically to cut down. So just it comes like this. So such a plastic tube to be considered. So plastic tube and one steel plate and one marble to be considered one marble and stopwatch or digital watch to be taken, and to make slope point to pair some books. To make an inclined question, we can use these books. Now arrangement of these operators. In this experiment, we have to consider one table. So on table platform, we have to place books. So to be considered is the table platform. To consider as is the table. So this is the table. This is the table platform to be considered. On that to place some books. So like that to be placed one by one to place the books like this. So like this to place one by one books like that, and to place this halo tube. So in inclined position like that, and at the end to consider it is in a plate, on steel plate to be considered here. To consider one steel plate. So to measure the distance at the different distances to be considered by changing the different distances to leave the marble, head marble to be taken. So before leaving that, put the stopwatch ready. So for 60 centimeters we have to leave it. So measure the distance 60 centimeter and put this marble with the hand and ready to start the watch. When watch will be start to leave this marble, what happens? It will come and touches this plate. It touches the plate, it gives a sound. Then to stop the clock and note the time. In this manner you have to take 2 or 3 readings. So at one time it is not we get the correct reading. That's why minimum 2 to 3 readings to be taken by verifying the same. So at the same line you can make second trial. That means to leave the marble from 60 centimeters, again it touches this plate, same time will be taken. Remember that. If distance changes, then only time will be changes. If distance is not changed, there is no change in the timing. Understand? So that's why you get the same time for every time when it touches. So try 2 or 3 trials like that. By changing the different lengths, we can record the values in the table and we can calculate for every time average time. Then we can substitute in 2s by t square. For every time we get one constant value. That means all of these values to be recorded in one tabular form. So such a table to consider like this. To consider the table serial number and distance of the marble in the tube, distance, time to be taken, 3 tries to be taken, no, T1, T2, T3, then to make average time means TA is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 by 3, average time to be taken, and the next after making that average time, to make that value will be t square, this value substitute in 2s by t square, that we get one constant number. So we can tabulate like this. So we consider like this. Here first distance to be considered as 40 centimeter distance to be taken. 40 centimeters distance to be taken. The time taken by this will be, for each time we get 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Then what is the average time? Average time is 10 plus 10 by 3. That is equal to 30 by 3. 30 by 3 means 10 seconds. Then t square. T square means 10 square. 10 square is equal to 100. Now 2s by t square, what is the distance? 40. So 2 into 40 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 5s are. What do you get? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means what do you get? 0.8. It is a constant value. We get this constant value. Then next, by changing the position, one of the constant value get it. By changing the time, 50 meters, time taken will be 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds. So total time, average time to be taken as 8 plus 8 by 3, that is equal to 24 equal to 8 seconds. Now 8 square is equal to 64. 2 into how much distance? 50 by 64. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 twos are 2 25s are 2 ones are 2 sixes are. So what do you get? 25 by 16. So 25 by 16 means 1 point. So divide 25 with 16. 16 ones are 16. So 9. Keep point 0. 16 5s are 80. So 1.5 we get. So like that, constant values to be get for each values. To increase the values, time will be decreases because by making slopes, what happens from there, values will be taken. That's what happens from here. 10, 20, 30, 40, like that will be noted down. So the distance will be decreases due to that reason, that values with the distance decreases, the time will be, so values will be increases, that you have to prove in this experiment. Okay, so now by changing these values to consider another value for 60, time will be 6 seconds, like that to be taken. So it also to get the increasing value. Okay, now on this basis we can calculate some important applications. So important applications to be done by this formula. That is, what are the applications here we had used? V is equal to U plus AT, P square minus V square is equal to AS, S is equal to T plus half AT square, and Sn is equal to U plus A into N minus 1 by 2. By that applications we can do some problems.